How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today I'm going to be answering the question, is ExpressVPN worth it? And I'll go through why ExpressVPN may or may not be worth your money. Now, before we begin, if you guys are interested in ExpressVPN, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as a full review if you'd like to learn more about ExpressVPN's privacy policy, speed streaming, torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. Okay, so let's go through the privacy policy first and why it makes ExpressVPN worth your money. Now, the privacy policy of ExpressVPN is arguably the best privacy policy in the business. You can go through the entirety of the privacy policy and you won't find any suspicious data collection practices. And while most VPNs do claim that, you need to look for evidence that proves these claims. And in this case, we do have plenty of evidence with ExpressVPN's independent audit reports, where third-party independent companies come to examine the network and privacy policy of ExpressVPN and whether or not it is secure for the users. And these reports are available to be read by anyone. You can go to the website and read the reports yourself. All of them result in great standing. And of course, to support the privacy policy and safe network, you have trusted server technology with ExpressVPN, which uses RAM drives rather than hard disk drives, which means that there are no physical drives to store data within these servers, and whatever little data is stored within the RAM drives will be deleted with every machine reboot, which take place quite frequently as the servers are maintained. And of course, to seal the deal, you have in 2017 when the Turkish government seized a server from ExpressVPN as part of an investigation, and they were still unable to extract any information out of the servers thanks to the true no logs policy of ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN also has the necessary security features that you need, such as the kill switch and split tunneling, and doesn't really complicate things beyond that. That's all you get alongside a handful of protocols, and that's pretty much it. It focuses heavily on ease of use, compatibility, and top privacy and anonymity, as well as functionality, as well as reliable functionality in censorship-heavy countries. Now, if you're not familiar with these features, the kill switch will stop your internet traffic if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly, making sure that you're only going to be connected to the internet while you're secured by the VPN encryption. And split tunneling will allow you to choose which applications are routed through the VPN and which are not. So you can select, for example, only selected applications to use the VPN, or do not allow selected applications to use the VPN while the rest of your connection goes through the VPN. So it's a very useful feature, especially if you don't want everything to use the VPN and you just want selected applications to use the VPN, which is why I mainly use it. And besides that, ExpressVPN allows you to secure up to 5 devices per subscription. You have over 3,000 servers in 94 countries. It allows for torrenting without any limitations. And of course, you are able to stream all kinds of streaming services. You can unblock them very easily. Whether you're looking to unblock Netflix or any kind of websites and messaging tools. For example, if you're in China, you won't be able to use WhatsApp or Gmail and whatnot, but ExpressVPN will allow you to access these websites no matter the censorship firewall. And of course, I know most of you want to unblock Netflix, HBO Max, Hulu, and whatnot. You'll be able to easily do that with ExpressVPN. So it's a very useful feature, definitely worth your money. And if you guys are interested again in ExpressVPN, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as a full review if you'd like to learn more about ExpressVPN. And keep in mind that all of ExpressVPN's plans are backed up by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try out ExpressVPN for 30 days risk-free, and you do get live chat support right here at the bottom right. And you do get live chat support right here at the bottom right if you have any questions. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.